we will make sauerkraut mash. The mash can be eaten on its own, or with sausages, black pudding, or with other types of meat. You will need potatoes, sauerkraut, onions, lard or frying oil, and salt. Peel and boil 1 kilo of potatoes. Peel 3 medium onions. Cut the onions into halves, and then slice the onions. Heat up a pan, and add lard or frying oil. Add the onions. Fry the onions until they turn brown. Drain the sauerkraut and squeeze most of the liquid out. Cut through the sauerkraut so that there are no long pieces. We are using 400 grams of sauerkraut. Once the onion has turned brown, remove some from the pan and reserve it for later to sprinkle on top of the mash. Add the sauerkraut to the pan. Add a splash of water and cook the sauerkraut, just briefly. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain them and mash them with a fork or with a potato masher. The mash can be chunky. Add the potato mash to the pan and stir all the ingredients. Taste the mash and add as much salt as needed. Serve the mash with fried onions on top.